Chocolate is one of the most loved foods in the world. But do you know where it comes from? Let us follow the journey from cocoa to chocolate. It all begins on a cocoa farm near the equator. Cocoa trees grow in hot, rainy countries like Ivory Coast, Ghana, and Indonesia. The cocoa tree produces large, colorful pods. Each pod is about the size of a football and contains 30 to 40 cocoa beans inside. Farmers carefully cut the ripe pods from the trees using long knives. They split the pods open to remove the white cocoa beans. The beans are then covered with banana leaves and left to ferment for several days. Fermentation gives chocolate its rich flavor. After fermentation, the beans are spread out under the sun to dry. They turn from white to a deep brown color. The dried beans are packed into sacks and shipped to factories all over the world. This is where the real magic happens. At the factory, the beans are roasted at a high temperature. Roasting brings out the deep chocolate aroma that we all love. The roasted beans are cracked open and the shells are removed. The inside parts, called nibs, are ground into a thick paste called cocoa mass. Sugar, milk powder, and cocoa butter are added to the cocoa mass. The mixture is stirred for hours in a process called conking to make it smooth. Finally, the liquid chocolate is poured into molds, cooled, and wrapped. Now it is ready to be enjoyed as a delicious chocolate bar. Where do cocoa trees grow best? How many beans does each cocoa pod contain? What does to ferment mean? Why are the beans roasted at the factory? What does nib mean in chocolate making? What is added to cocoa mass to make chocolate? What does cocoa butter mean? What is the final step before chocolate is wrapped? What does conking do to the chocolate? What is the correct order of chocolate making?
تابعنا على موقعنا إنجليزي.net لتتعلم الإنجليزية في أسرع وقت ممكن.